So today you're not gonna be seeing me. I'm really just gonna be dying with Frontal because I'm going on a trip to Vegas soon with my boyfriend, and I have had this wig and this hair for like 2 weeks, and obviously still I haven't dyed or bleached any knots or anything, so I'm gonna be doing that today. The first thing I'm doing obviously is putting down aluminum foil on top of this piece of cardboard. I'm doing this so that I don't get bleach anywhere because I am really bad with bleach. I always end up burning myself, so I'm gonna and always like getting it everywhere. Next thing I'm gonna do is get these gloves on. Like I said, I always burn myself. I'm just bleaching the knots, so that's all I'm doing today. Alright, gloves on. I have my mixing bowl. It has Aztec clay in it, but like I'm not gonna what is that called? I'm not going to clean it. And then I have 2 bleaches. I have this punky colors. I got this from CVS. And then I have some bleach that I think my friend left because I bleached her frontal. BW2, this is what everybody else uses. I got half left and I don't think it's gonna be enough to finish this frontal, so I'm gonna just probably save it unless I do like a double bleach process. So I also have 40 developer. I wish I had 30, but I don't, so I'm gonna have to use 40. All you're gonna do is put the bleach in the little container. It smells so bad. I'm just gonna put it all in there. If I need to do another thing, I will. You're gonna add your developer. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die in here. Oh my gosh. This stuff is so strong. And I'm gonna mix it with this comb. This is too thick, so I'm going to put more developer in there. I'm going to do a video where I bought this hair and everything after I actually make the wig, so I can do a full review on the hair. All I will say, this hair was like super cheap. I'm going to mix that up. I think I'm gonna put a bit more. I have to use a lot of developer and whatnot and bleach because I don't know, I never dyed a frontal for myself, so I want to make sure these knots are super bleached, super cute. Oh my gosh, this smells so bad. Alright, so it should look like frosting. And like a little bit runny, but not like extremely runny. So that's it. I'm just gonna take this and just, I don't want to get this on the hair. Just the knots. You're gonna just like lather it on. I wanted to get something flat like this because I usually bleach my knots with a butter knife, but couldn't really find a butter knife because I just moved through. So we're gonna use the end of this comb. It's gonna be a little bit messy, but like I'm doing this really quick. Don't do it very quickly. Take your time. When you do it, I'm like really tired, so I'm not really taking as much time as I usually do. I'm just like slapping it on the front. But then again, it's okay because I know how to fix it if the bleach runs through or anything like that. So that's why I'm acting a little bit carelessly today. So you just want to get everything evenly on there and a little bit of a thick layer because it's going to be on there for a little bit. Put it on. All the knots are covered. Let me see how the front looks. Good. I want to put more in the front. These knots look extra good. Press that in. Bam. Press that in. This is what it looks like. Oh, I have to do it from back here. It was partially like plugged, I feel like, bleached and not bleached, but plugged. That's what it said when I bought the hair. It comes bleached already. Let's see how true that is. Yeah, you can just see what parts you need to put more bleach on. I definitely need more on the top of the hairline. So I'm just gonna press that a tiny bit more all the way in the front. Just because, I mean, just clap it on. And then what you do, get another piece of aluminum foil. And you put it right on top. Just putting the foil so that it's like gonna cover it, but it's also gonna let air in to help it. So I'm gonna keep it like this for like, I'll check on it in like 15 minutes. I'll check on this. I'll show you what it looks like in 15 minutes, and then if I need to take the bleach off and redo it, actually I'll do 20 minutes. I'll check on it in like 10. If not, I'll leave it for 20, and if I need to re-bleach, I'll show you how to double process. So that's that. Yeah, be back in 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes, probably more, because I was watching Gordon Ramsay. But I'm gonna check on this, smell it, and see. I should put gloves on. Let me put gloves on. I'm not trying to get burned at all. These are the gloves I used to feed my snake. Clean my snake's cage. Because her poop looks gross. I'm not touching it. It did lighten, not as much as I wanted to. So I'm gonna wash this off and only do the top because the inside I'm like whatever. Might leave this on a little bit longer. Some of the hair in the front got dyed, but I'm gonna be plucking it, so I'm like not really that concerned with the front, because more than likely all this hair is getting plucked off. So messy. Alright. Should have done it with my fingers. Just spreading this bleach around. Because I am going to reprocess, but I'm only reprocessing the front. This other bleach and just rub it in. Hopefully it like gets the program. Another 5-10 minutes, and then I'll be taking bleach. I'm gonna be taking it off, washing it out, then reprocessing the front, and then ready to pluck. I'm going to wash this out now and then show you what it looks like after I wash it. Yeah, I didn't bleach the way I wanted it to bleach all the way. This is why you take your time. And don't rush and try to go to sleep early, because now I can't even go to sleep because I have to fix it. So I'm gonna wash this out and probably re-bleach the front or like some spots that I missed, and that's it. Okay, this I finally finished bleaching it. I bleached it twice just because I wanted to get the front a little bit more, and as you can see there's like blonde streaks all the way at the top because I kind of bleached the front too much. Luckily, I'm gonna pluck this frontal, so it really doesn't really matter all that much because I have to pluck the front hairline anyway. As you can see, this is wrapped in plastic wrap just so I drew my hairline. Like I put the plastic wrap on my head and then I drew my hairline and then I put this on top just so I can know where I'm plucking at. I will make a video on that as well. I just wanted to show you how it looked after I bleached it and do anything else to it. I'm gonna pluck. It looks really good, and really, yeah, bleaching is not like a terrible process. It's relatively easy. You put the bleach on, as long as you know how to read directions, you'll be good. Yeah, as long as you read directions and everything, you should be fine when it comes to bleaching and whatnot. I will put everything I use in the description. I am hiding where I got this hair from until I do a video on the full unit, like I said earlier. So just stay tuned for that, and always leave me comments on videos that you want to see more of, or you know, if you want me to make another bleaching video, a better bleaching, probably in more detail, I can also do that. What I will say, this is Peruvian hair. I believe this is a 18-inch frontal, and I think 18 or 16 inches. I believe it's 18-inch frontal. And yeah, that's basically it. The hairline, I mean the knots look really good. This is gonna look really great on my head when I finish the unit. I'm just gonna pluck, and I'll probably do a video on plucking today. I mean, well, it won't be up for you today, obviously, but or whenever you're watching this, but it'll be up because I'm actually gonna pluck this probably now. So if you have any questions about bleaching, just leave them in the comments. I will definitely try to get back to you. People don't usually leave comments, so I don't usually check my comments, but I will check if people actually do have questions. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for my other wig videos.